So I welcome you all back to my channel, wherever you're watching this video from. I'm saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So before I even go deep into the video, please do me a favor by subscribing to this video, to this channel. I've been dropping a back-to-back, crypto updates, legit airdrops, how to make money online back-to-back. And I believe today's video you are going to learn something tangible from it. So this is SOSOVALUE Airdrop. SOSOVALUE Airdrop, this is a community where exchanges can use to get the current market of, on their side they have this current market price and what they have to offer. I've been missing this kind of airdrop, but I just came across that I was lucky to meet up this one, and I said let me share it to everybody. Is that now you can see this SoSoValue website now you have to sign up. So I've logged in. You can see I have about 837 points, 37,000 points, and I'm going to show you how you're going to accumulate your own. So I'm going to drop the link in the description. Just click on it. It will take you down to a place where you can sign up, and you logged in. You'll be taken to this kind of dashboard. You will click on this dashboard here. So I click on dashboard. It's going to pop up something. So let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. So it's loading up now. This is our dashboard here, and we can see all the market movements daily, weekly, how the market has moved for a very long time. And mind you, they also have app. We can make use of their app to start this thing. So now let's look at we have been given a daily tax for us to qualify for this airdrop. We have been given a daily tax. So if I should click on this, my coin balance, I click on the coin balance. Let me see. So now this is me. This is here. So you can see that I have been claiming my daily checking for a very long time. About how many days now? About 6 days. I've been claiming my daily checking, and I have how many referrals now? So I think I have I have 5 referrals now. 5 referrals. So what I'm now going to do from here is that if you want to start, make sure you check in daily, and if you can refer people, refer them. And these are the daily tasks that you can do too. Look at all these tasks that if you vote, you are just to vote for person. So let me quickly do that now. Let me click on vote. So, and this system, as you can't cheat this system because it is AI integrated. If you do not vote, it's not going to count for you. So you can say I'm going to do one for you to see now. So it is telling me to vote for me to get a 2000 token, SoSoValue token. So I'm going to look for where to see votes now. Okay, let me just click on votes. So vote. So I voted for this person. So I clicked on votes. Let me see, maybe it's going to pop up something. So I've clicked on votes, and I think that is what they want you to do. So now if I should go back here and click on, it's already verifying, and it's going to tell me, it's going to show me to verify that truly that if I have voted for the person. So if I'm to scroll down, you can see we still have some tasks there that I still want to do that I've never even done, which is about 4. So we have about 5 tasks that I need to do here. So that's the only thing you are doing. So what gives me guarantee that there will be this job is going to be quality? Now if I'm to scroll down here, let me scroll down. Like, okay, let me just use my let me scroll down. Look at the timeline. The timeline remains. See, we have about how many days? We have 17 days left to claim this free airdrop. You can see they have done one around August 15 to 25, and it has ended. Top 100 battles. We have but this one now you can see it is ending when? It is ending very soon, and we have 17 days left. So you need to start immediately. If you come across this video, what you are going to do is very, very simple. Log in, complete this daily check-in, and complete those tasks you are saying. That is all. That's all they need you to do. So if you want to get about 225,000 points, you can also include their desktop icon onto your system. Are you getting? I think I've installed mine. Here. I've installed mine, so it's on my system. So that is how it works. Please don't miss on this project. So if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share to your loved ones, and I'll be dropping more of legit and verified airdrops for us. Thank you for watching. God bless you.